Welcome to part two. Well, please watch the previous video. I gotta take the tape off. I was gonna play some music, but I really don't want any more copyright claims. And the next group I probably play will probably get a copyright claim. When I'm done here, I need to go vacuum. The rain it came down, so I'm not able to wash this tray. Actually, there's three of them, so I'll probably just wash them out here. Now, anytime you're doing any kind of painting job, always want to put your masking tape on, especially on places that you don't want to have any paint on it. So this was a special assignment, this special job. So shout out to Margie TV. Shout out to Tweety, my love. Shout out to Action Gal. Shout out to Nira, Mary Near Channel. Shout out to Judy Fisher. Shout out to you for watching and listening. Are you listening? Are you watching? It's raining. Risa Basardi. BB abs. Risa Basardi. It's raining. Shout out to Rain. Now, I told him I was done, and I sent a picture, and he said, bring it over. And I'm like, I'm not done yet. No. It wasn't easy trying to get the tape in here, I tell you. Uh-oh. Well, good thing you won't see that part. See what part? The side over here. Because the sidings have these metal triangles. Can you hear the rain? That's your music. Listen to the rain. So you who keep saying I'm first, you're first, but you never leave a comment about the video. I mean, was there anything that you saw about the video that you liked? Yeah, being first is nice, but when you say something about the video, it's even better. So, like, if you leave like a really long comment about the video, that's really cool. Because I don't know about you, but I love long comments. Some people get so bored with long comments. Like, oh, you left me a long comment. No, leave a long comment, please. Talk. Say what's on your mind, but respectfully, of course. I don't know about you, but my feet are hurting. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I need to get new shoes. The block stuck to the wood. I gotta peel the tape off. Well, I had you on the other side, but I was like, you can't see me over there. It depends because see, like at night, if I have the phone out, you need to be over there. During the day, you need to be over here. Just the way it is, you know. So now, uh-oh. didn't see that. One of the screws broke. Haha, gotcha. No, it's not broken. It's just really small. I didn't have it in all the way. So what you do is, if you have extra screws, find yourself a little cap, put the screws in the cap. Now I know what you're saying. You missed up there. Well, that's what the metal thing is for. I'm glad Sam did her business, because anytime it rains or we get thunderstorms, she don't like it. She's hiding on the bed, under the bed right now. Yeah. You want to see that it's raining? Okay, I'll show you the rain. Just come over to the clamp. Don't hit any buttons. There's the rain. That's the rain I was looking for. Because I said to Mom, I thought we were supposed to get thunderstorms and rain. Well, there it is. Rain. Can you still see? Am I too high in the air? Ugh. No, I didn't fix the clamp. It's just I moved it a certain way, and it works a little bit better in certain places. But how's everybody doing? You doing okay? Are you doing okay? All right, I gotta get this done. Man, I hope I didn't get too much paint on this outside here. It wasn't easy trying to mask this thing off. Is it ever easy? No. Whoever said life was easy? It's easy being cheesy. No. Actually, you need to come up with a nickname for your channel, because I can never get it right. It's like sunsets, cooking. Like I said, you need to say something about the video. I appreciate your support. Man, I think I goofed up on this thing here. Good thing it's the bottom, right? Yeah, I could always get something to scrape that off. No big deal. Oh, the rain went. It stopped raining. No more rain. It was a quick shower. And no, I'm not going to go cut the grass. No way. You don't cut grass when it's wet. It just doesn't work that way. Now, Tom Morello, I sent him a picture of this, and he said, "Looks great. Bring it over." I'm like, "No, I'm not done yet. I have to get everything cooked back on and get this tape off, which is a real pain in the butt right now." I thought putting it on. Oh, there's a spot I missed. I missed a spot. Oh, I hate it when I miss a spot. Don't you hate it when you miss a spot? Margie, I missed a spot. At least the three of you know what's going on. Oh man, can't believe I missed a spot. Oh, there's a spot over there. Oh man. Like I said, it's a good thing it's the bottom, but still, some places I missed. Can't get the stupid tape off. Hang on. Sorry about that. I had a part where I was having a real hard time getting to, and if I kept recording, he would be see me going, struggling to try to get it off. So I didn't want you to see me doing that. See, I gotta get my fingers in here. Stop. No, only kidding. Kind of reminds you of that Nicolas Cage National Treasure. You know, like when they're up on the mountain and he goes and sticks his hand underneath to find a switch. He's like, that always cracks me up. Yeah, speaking of National Treasure, I heard that on Looper that there's actually going to be a National Treasure 3. I kept hoping that there would be. I don't know. Does any of you like Nicolas Cage movies? And also, I can't believe this. There's also going to be a Face Off 2. I didn't think they would do another one. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think it's a cool idea to make a number 2, or do you think they should have just stayed with just the one? Because some people don't like sequels, and some do. I mean, for me, one of my favorite movies that they've done for sequels is that the Lethal Weapon movies. There's supposed to be another Lethal Weapon, but I don't know if that's going to happen. I still wish they would make the Jetsons movie. You know, Jim Carrey as George Jetson, and Danny DeVito as Mr. Spacely. You know, somebody was supposed to be working on that, and then they said it was too much color. I don't know. I still think they can do it. Just use less color. Make it a sci-fi, you know. Make it, Jetsons in outer space, so I don't see why they can't do it. I mean, shit. If you can make Star Wars, and you can make Star Trek, and all these other space movies, why can't you do the Jetsons? So if you're just waking up, good morning to you. Good morning to you. And if you're not just waking up, then hello to you. Hello and goodbye. Yeah. But I don't like saying goodbye. No. I never ever liked saying goodbye. I always like saying see you later, talk to you later, ciao. You know, ciao. All right. I just got one little piece of tape. That's done. Now. Hopefully I got all the tape off. I can't get that bottom part down here. There's like a little piece of tape down here. Who cares? It'll be fine. Ooh, it'll be fine. Alright, I need to set these blocks up. Whoa. Maybe I'll turn them this way so you can see what I'm doing. Whoa. And this under there. This over there. That's where I took that metal plate off. Got a screwdriver? I sure do. I got a screwdriver. one popped out. Thanks for saying something. And I need a corner. Always want to get your screw in first. Now, what I did was when I put this thing together, or when I was painting it, I made sure that I stuck, when you saw I took the screws out, the screws don't get covered up. Or the holes don't get plugged in, is what I'm trying to say. The holes don't get plugged in. It's always a good idea to think ahead of time. That one does not want to go in there for some reason. That's not good. No, that's not good. So in my previous video, I told you I was going to wear red. If you read the description below, I told you I was going to wear red today. I asked, who likes red? So if you like red, leave a comment down below saying, I love red. Because I wore red for you. I was like, I got clothes and I said, what should I wear today? I said, I think I'm going to wear red because I know my BFF loves red. And I think, Tweety My Loves likes red too. Red's Ferrari Network likes red. Love Lines likes red. I don't know. Does Risa Basardi like red? You always said you like black and white. But I don't know if you ever liked red. I don't know. This is the one that's going to give me a hard time. That side's done. Hey, the sun came back out. See? Got that part done. Now we're going to do the other side. Whoa! What happened here? It must have got stuck on that. It got stuck on it. Where'd it go? Uh-oh. Ow! You didn't see that. Oh, there it is. Ow. That didn't feel so good. No. I'm okay. Just hit my head a little bit. Knock some sense into me, Mom said, please hurry up. I really didn't want you to vacuum, or I'm going to have to do it myself. And, with Mom, if you don't do it right then, she gets really mad. Oh, no, not really mad, but then she gets so stubborn. She goes into that, fine, I'll do it myself. So, and you got this piece. No, because I can't bring this back over to him until I get this put back together. got it now. There we go. Yeah, so the screws got painted too. Oh well. It'll be fine. Gives it a little pizzazz, you know. I don't like that one. Some of it's got that color on it, and then some of it doesn't. You see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing? There's a spot I missed. I don't like that. I don't like when I miss a spot. It means I have to take the paint back out again. Darn it. There's like a spot here and a spot there. It's a little touch up. Okay, I'm gonna put this screw in. I'll put a little touch on it after I get the bottom piece back on. Now, the question is, where did I put the screws? All right, I'll be right back. Hey, Houston, we figured out our problem. The screws are right here. What I'd say, I put the screws back inside so I would know where it is. Oh, I need that. Yeah. I don't know. It still looks like it could need another coat under here, but it's the bottom. I don't like that. I don't like that part there either. I think what I'll do is I'll go over it one more time because there's definitely some places that could stand a little touch up. Same deal. Take your screw, put it inside. Don't like that putty stuff. Oh yeah, I gotta use a special bit for that one. Forgot about that. Well, you can't see what I'm doing. You only see the back. Sorry, I'll fix that in a second. You're like, I can't see what you're doing because your back is facing me. Sorry. My bad. Oh, come on. I know you like looking at my back. No, I think I'm gonna put a little touch up on this. I really don't want to bring this back without it looking like that. I would rather have it look like it's completely done. So now, since I'm gonna have to get the drill out, I have to put in that other part. I'm gonna hook that other screw in. See? don't know what you see. What do you see? I guess you can see it. Okay. Cool. Cool. All right. Now, so this is a special screw. A special screw you use the drill. Oh, still thundering. That's because it's so hot out, you know? And that's it. Now. I got my paintbrush. I'm going to touch up some of the places that look like it need to be touched up. I got the fan on, and it should be fine once I touch it up a little bit. Because I don't want to bring that back over to him when it's not looking like it should. I know, I'm still wearing, I didn't take my shoes off. Oh, you can't see. Whoa! See? I'm being cautious. I'm being careful this time. I'm just going to touch up some places. I don't have to do the inside so much. I'm just going to go over a little. Some places, I don't care. That place is a little messy. It'll be all right. It's not like anybody's going to be looking at the bottom and say, well, you missed that spot. But I want it to be good, you know. I mean, if I'm bringing it over, I want it to look right. So go over a little bit. Try not to get too much of the silver because I really don't want to get that spot there. Oh yeah, I need to get that little spot here too. Get this spot here. I mean, it's just the bottom, but you know, if it's going to be outside, you want it to look right. It's like when I'm mowing grass and I'm going by, I'm going to look at it and say, oh, I really should have gotten that spot. You know? Thought there was another spot over here. I don't know. Let's go over a little bit more. Yeah, like I said, I sent a picture to him, and he said it looks great. Well, me, I'd rather have it look wonderful. See, there's a piece of tape I missed too. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I got paint on me. Of course, that's gonna happen. You know. Got it. There's a little piece of tape. You can have it. Theo T, where'd you go? Theo T don't come back here anymore. He got upset because I didn't give him any pig poop. No, there's a spot that I missed. No. No, I really wanted to make it look right. No, I don't have to do down here. It's a little filthy, but I don't have to get down there. Because you don't have to paint that. All right, I think that's going to be good. Just wanted to touch up a little bit more. Well, it is what it is. But everything other than that, it's ready to go. He said, looks great, bring it over. And I said, no, because I can't bring it over because I still had the tape on it. And there were still some places that I needed to touch up on. And I know if I flip this over, I'm going to see some other places that needed a little bit. I want to get the object is don't get paint on this shirt. I don't want to get paint on this shirt. That's the spot. There we go. That's the spot, baby. No, I mean if you're doing a job for somebody and they want a certain color, you gotta use the color they give you. Me, I probably would have gone funky. I probably would have painted it red, yellow, black. All right, that's gonna have to do for now. Now I'm just gonna let it dry. Let's see, where can I touch this? Turn it so that the fan will blow on it. It'll dry faster. Do you see anything I missed? Does it look good to you? Margie! Margie! TV. Yeah. Oh man, how am I gonna get that? Oh my goodness. Tweeting my loves. I missed a big spot. Oh no. Oh no! I missed a spot. I didn't see that one. Oh no. That's why you gotta go back and look. Oh boy. Got it now. Yeah. No, because on the top, right up in here, there was a big spot that I missed and it was still had the primer paint on it. And I said, oh no, I missed a spot. I got it now. I got her now. Yeah. Well, that's it. Well, if you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. Leave a comment about the video. And I'll see you in my next upload. Bye-bye. Bowen, go ahead. Bye. Bye.